So, saying I gotta get my oil changed in 3 months and 5,000 miles, but I've got 10,000 mile oil in here. So what I found out from Goodyear is that their machine automatically defaults to 5,000 miles. And so what I tell people is just go by your manufacturer recommendations and call up the places, just verify it. Don't get conned into freaking extra oil changes if you don't need to. This is good for, full synthetics, good for up to 10,000. So, take care, be safe, be kind, and stay strong, y'all. And don't get conned into freaking unnecessary maintenance.